All right, so when you get your repair kit, it's gonna look like this. You open it up. You're gonna get this baggie that has some stuff in it. This is the glue that you're gonna use to glue it back on. This handy contraption right here is just a screw. It's pretty cool. What you're gonna do, you're gonna take this screw, you're gonna put it into the screw right here. You're gonna try. You can do it a fair amount. And what you're gonna do is, it's like that. We'll get the glue. Friendly tip. Once you take this cap off, you can't squeeze the glue out. You gotta squeeze, it's just gonna go nowhere. So you gotta take this off. It has a little cover right here. You're gonna take the lid and you're gonna puncture the top of it like that. And now it'll create a hole so that you can put the cap back on. And then you can put the glue on. So what we do here, here's another friendly reminder, because you don't want to get glue all over the bottom of your coil, especially if it's one of these ones, you want it to look nice. I recommend putting a piece of paper or something. It doesn't really matter what it is, just it'll stop it from getting onto your shoe. Then now you're just gonna squeeze the glue on this little lip right here, all the way around. Hopefully I can get a good one. And be generous with it because you want it to stay. You don't want it to fall off again, because that's why you got the repair kit from us. Then you're gonna line it up, pull it up, and then let it hang. If you have somewhere that you can hang this onto, I recommend doing that. Or you're gonna stand here for a while. Or if you have children, just here, hold this. That's pretty much the gist of it. When it dries, it sets. It'll take anywhere, I would say 30 minutes to an hour. On the better ballpark, I'd say let it sit for an hour. So you might want to find something to hold this up, because you don't want to stand here for an hour holding this. We actually have activator that we use. I'm going to use that. This doesn't come in your package, but I just wanted to show you guys what else you would do after this once it is dry to make it more strong. So now that yours is dry, what I recommend doing is going back through and gluing more in this area right here. Just go around that, a nice little bead through there, and do the same thing. Let it dry 30 minutes to an hour, and that will strengthen it even more to make sure that this does not pop off again.